My name is Leora Stone. I'm the president of Precision Engineering and one of the two founders. Precision Engineering is a certified contract manufacturer and single source provider of custom metal fabricated components.
I've been involved in manufacturing for 40 years, and I've seen many cycles through the industry, so it's always been important to us to keep investing into the latest technology, the best equipment available, to be able to build the best quality part in a cost-effective manner, and it's paying off for us today. We've invested ourselves with manufacturing in the United States.
Not having to outsource processes saves us and the customer time and money. 100% of our metal scrap is recycled.
I'm John Martinelli, I'm the plant manager. When you're trying to get a good part, you think it's okay, but you make it that much better. You just try to get that, perfect that you possibly can. That's where I like to be at perfect. It's a hard thing to do, but you get there.
Our client expects high quality, on-time delivery, and communication.
When you're a contract manufacturer, you really are a partner to your customer. You are making their product, and you have to remind yourself every day that what you are doing is a critical part of their production. Parts that we're making go into products that we use every day.
Precision means, we're going to get the job done right, we're going to get it done the first time, and it's going to be perfect. It's going to be just what the customer wanted.